practice problem is on substitution. We have a question here that says if Sn is equal to n over 2, then inside the parentheses we have 2.2 plus 2 open bracket n minus 1 bracket close followed by a closing parenthesis. Find s subscript 12 and s subscript 20. So s subscript n is the subject of the formula. To obtain s, we need the value for n, which has been given in the form of s12 and s20. That is to say that if Sn is equals to 12, then it implies that n is equals to 12. And if Sn is equals to 20, it also implies that n is equals to 20. The s here stands for the base, the n stands for the subscript. So that is it. So if Sn is equals to S12, sorry, there's a mistake here, there's a mix-up here. Let me rewrite it. So if Sn is equals to, if Sn is equals to S12, so what I was trying to say is that if Sn is equals to S12, then it implies that n is equals to 12. And if Sn is equals to S20, it also implies that n is equals to 20. The s is the base, the n is the subscript. So if Sn equals to S12, it means the base here is equals to the base and the subscript is equals to the subscript. So s is equals to s, n is equals to 12. The same thing here. The base is equals to base and the subscript is equals to the subscript. So this is kind of like a logic statement. I can twist it around to make it look like this. If Sn is equals to 6n, if Sn is equals to 6n, then it implies that s equals to 6 and n is equals to n, because s is the base, base is equals to base, so s is equals to 6. The subscript is equals to the subscript, n equals to n. But in this example, we have two n's as indicated here. We have n equals to 12 and n equals to 20. That means we are going to perform the calculation twice. Okay, if the value of n is 12, the formula will translate to s subscript n is equals to 12 over 2. the question will translate to this, where n is being replaced by the number 12. Okay, so going by the principle of BODMAS, we have to solve the bracket first. We're gonna have to solve the bracket first. 12 minus 1. And we have that 12 minus 1 is equals to 11. So once again, the equation will translate to this. Twelve subscript n equals to 12 over 2 into a parenthesis containing 2.2 plus 2 times 11. 12 minus 1 has been replaced by 11. Now we have not eliminated the brackets completely. We still have a parenthesis to contend with. And inside the parenthesis we have 2.2 plus 2 times 11. There are two operations inside the parenthesis, a multiplication and an addition. Multiplication takes precedence over addition. So we start with 2 multiplied by 11. 2 times 11 equals 22. So once again, the equation will change. S subscript n is equals to 12 over 2, 2.2 plus 22. This is a parenthesis. Now addition. 2.2 plus 22 is 24.2. The whole of this becomes 24.2. Now the bracket is gonna go. So we have S subscript n is equals to 12 over 2 multiplied by 24.2. Both the parentheses and the bracket have disappeared, being replaced by 24.2. So the bracket and the parentheses have been completely eliminated. Now next in the order of operation is division. Division. This is what we have. So we are going to divide 12 over 2. 12 over 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. The equation then translates to S subscript n is equals to 6 multiplied by 24.2. Apparently, multiplication is the last order of operation. 6 multiplied by 24.2 gives us 145.2. Finally, we can write S is equals to 145.2. So this implies that S subscript n is equals to 145.2 base 12. Where S is 145.2 and n is equals to 12. Let's go ahead. For n equals to 20, I'm going to have Sn plus 2 open bracket 20 minus 1 close bracket close parenthesis. So we eliminate the first bracket 20 minus 1, so that we now have 20 over 2 parenthesis 2.2 plus 2 times 19. 20 minus 1 is 19. We have eliminated the first bracket. Now the parenthesis. I'm going to multiply, which comes first in order of precedence, and then finally we are going to add. So this translates to 20 over 2, 2.2 plus 38. 2 times 19 is 38. So it's going to be 20 over 2 oops, I'm going to remove the bracket, the parenthesis now. So what's left now is times 40.2. 38 plus 2.2 gives you this. Next, division. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 20 is 10. So we are left with 10 multiplied by 40.2, which is 402. S is 402.